hoo, ha, hee, ho, hoo, ha, hee, ho, hoo, ha, hee. Good morning, Snapchat fam. Can it be any better for a swim? Can it? What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this to myself? I don't know. At least on the bright side, I'm not the only one that's going for this dip. I got quite the group around me. Everybody's excited to go for the beach. So a slight change of plans because of the weather over here. We could not make it to Scarborough Bluffs. Instead, we're in Woodbine Park. Also, my Russian counterpart, Alex, could not make it. We got the next best thing, Anthony over here. Haven't seen him since high school. This guy comes out. The water's looking steamy. Looks like we're not the only ones that decided to go to the beach today. Does this get any more Canadian? Please, tell me. Are you ready?
We're gonna die, dude.
Not even, let's go. Round 3, let's go, every Sunday. How do you feel, bro?
Like a champ, like a
Like
million
a
bucks.
champ.
I love it, it was the best.
Let's go.